Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to show you how to monetize. Hey, my name is Matt. I'm going to show you how to monetize a WordPress blog. There are different methods that you can apply to a website, and they aren't all created equal because there's different niches and different value to different types of traffic. So this video is going to be walking through some options for how to monetize, and I'm going to just kind of take a relaxed approach to it and bounce around, show you guys what I'm doing, what I'm seeing, and how you can apply it to your site to earn money. Because if you don't earn money on your website, maybe you're just running it for fun, that's great and good, but there's a lot of people out there like myself that is looking to monetize. I want to make money with my site. Whatever the information is that I'm giving away, I want to make money with it, and that's the goal of today's video. So if that sounds good, make sure you watch to the end, follow along. I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff, and smash that like button. Let's dive in. So a very simple thing that you can do is you can put ads on your website. There's Ezoic, there's MSN, there's Yahoo, there's all these other platforms that you can use, but for the sake of this video, AdSense is kind of the king, and you can just very easily drop that onto your blog and start earning some side money. So just a note about that, not all traffic is created equally, so the payouts per click on the ad, which is how it usually works, will vary. So it depends on what niche you're in, and it depends on how valuable that traffic is. So I'll talk about that a little more in depth later, but for now, that's kind of a very simple way that you could start earning money. So a mailing list is actually very, very lucrative because you're talking directly to your audience. You want to collect interested readers about your niche, and then within the mail that you send them is going to be all sorts of different offers to earn money. So you can have, you can put links to products that you use, reviews. Anytime you post a new blog post, you can send out an email, and you can also direct them to specific pages that also run ads on them. So it's kind of like a closed loop system that you can create very simply, and there's all sorts of free tools online that you can use. And Etsy has become like the king of digital downloads because it's so easy to do, especially these days with AI and image creation, things like Midjourney. You can use your site to funnel traffic to an Etsy shop or Redbubble or any of these other things, eBay, to either sell a physical product or a digital download. Consulting. You can consult or coach, and you can share what it is that you know about a specific niche and share that with people and make money doing it. So a lot of people do that with Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform that, I'm spelling it wrong. Fiverr is basically a freelance platform where you can earn money and you can find people to do work for you, and basically you can also do coaching either through this platform or through your personal site. But I'm just trying to show you that you can make money by offering a service. Like, for instance, there's the Ranking Academy, which is a service for Google My Business listings. So if you're trying to rank better on Google Maps, this is an excellent example of somebody that's coaching, and his website is all around getting you to subscribe to his mailing list, and you can actually book a call with him to do a one-on-one live session. So that's actually a really great way to go about it too. So even if you're running a small website and you're, again, trying to do knitting, or you're trying to do video production, or maybe you're an accountant and you're really good with numbers, you could talk about tax code, different things like that. Coaching is a great way to go about monetizing. This is actually my favorite way to make money because you're not shipping a product, you're not touching a product, and you're not doing any customer service. All you're doing is creating content that surrounds a niche and then pointing people in the right direction for a solid product that you've tried and something that's tried and true and you know it's a good thing to sell, and then you earn a commission on that thing. So Amazon has an associates program where you earn between, I'd say, 1 and 9% per sale on the cart. And that is a fair way to make some money. But if you're really trying to monetize your blog, what you want to do is look for an affiliate program that actually pays out a lot of money. And then you want to kind of niche down into whatever it is that you're interested in showing people. But I think as an example is you could go to OfferVault, which is an affiliate search engine, and we can put in something like, let's do mortgage. So let's say you are a realtor and you're trying to build your local business, and you're trying to make money on your website at the same time. What you can do is you can have an affiliate program here which talks about a reverse mortgage that pays you $60 a sign up. You can also do, let's say you're running a divorce website and you're selling divorce advice, or you're just giving it away for free. You could have a banner on the site and do pay per call, where you're getting paid between $22 and $40 a call for a 90-second call. This is for lead gen and lead generation, which is where an advertiser pays money to basically buy a customer. So this is them buying a customer, and that is why you can earn $22 a lead. The bottom line is, if you don't have traffic going to your website, you're really not going to be selling anything at all. And one of the biggest struggles that people have with their sites is that they put very bare minimum sites together where they don't really know what to write about, and it's a lot of images maybe. And the bottom line is that if you look at the analytics of one of these sites, they tend to have very low traffic going to them. So low traffic, i.e. no buyers, i.e. you don't make any money online. If you're trying to monetize your blog, one of the best ways that you could do that is with content. And while it's not a direct way to earn money, it is kind of like a concrete foundation for how to earn money with your site. And how does that work? Well, let me just show you a little example. So let's go back quick to the knitting example, because that is actually a really good niche to look at. If you were to build a site about knitting and you wanted to build it out, you wanted to get more customers, you wanted to gain more traffic in it, the baseline thing is you need to have content on the site. And to have content that people want to read, you have to look at the keyword data. You have to see what people are actually searching for. Because if you don't have that, then you're kind of shooting in the dark and making content for an audience that may or may not be there. So while you might have some success, it might not be the most optimized way to go about it. So let's just talk about the knitting example in terms of the machines, because I found that I'm on my keyword tool, which is called Ahrefs, and this is actually a great example, because if you were to try to build out a knitting site, yes, you could talk about different patterns and tools for the job and things like that, but you could also talk about the different types of knitting machines that are out there. And these are searches that are getting 23,000 searches a month, about 5,000, about 3,000, 1,500, 1,000. And for this entire list of keywords that's all about knitting machines, we're looking at a volume of about 70,000 people. That's 70,000 people per month, which times 12, you're going on 840,000 searches a month in this niche alone. So when you think about it in the grand scheme of things, that's a lot of traffic that you could scoop up for your website. And it would start by creating content around each of these keywords. If you own the Centro, whatever the Centro is, you would Oh, it's cheap. You would get a Centro machine. You could write about the ins and outs of it. You can write about the limitations, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, the ins and outs, all that. You could talk about it, different accessories for it. And you can see that there's YouTube videos doing exactly this. And your site could actually get picked up very easily for this keyword. And all of a sudden you have 5,000 people going to your website per month just for this keyword alone. And then what you do with that is you have your mailing list. You're running ads. Now the ads on this niche, I was talking about traffic value earlier. The value of the knitting niche is kind of low, so ads might not be the best way to go about it. You can expect to earn about a quarter, 35 cents a click on an ad. It's not great. You would need a lot of traffic to earn some good money with it. However, if you're trying to make money in this niche, you could sell the machines. You could sell the machine on Amazon. I'm sure Amazon has this for sale. And you can start looking at other affiliate programs. Now, I don't think that there's going to be an affiliate program for knitting. I might be wrong. But you can also branch out into other things that might be like adjacent to the niche. So maybe knitting's not the thing, but maybe sewing. I don't think there's anything for sewing. Handy stitch. Look at that. There is something. Manual sewing machine. Pays 12 euros a click. 12 euros a sale, rather. But you can make a really excellent website with this, and you can make good money just by selling the product. If you have 5,000 people coming to the site, if you're selling it on Amazon, that's a lot of traffic going through your Amazon links. Even if you're earning 1% on the sale, and these things sell for like 60 bucks, so you're earning like, cents on the dollar, basically. Maybe it might be like 2%. So let's say you're earning $1.02 on the product itself. With Amazon, you're actually earning on the entirety of the shopping cart. So if somebody spends $1,000, you're earning different percentages on the entire cart. So $1,000, and you can earn between 10 and 500 bucks. It depends on what they're buying. Depends on a lot of things. If you were doing a mortgage site, let's do refinance. Want to find something that's a little lower competition. Let's see. So you can go into let's say your website was about credit cards and credit or personal wealth, and you started to focus on auto refinancing. So you have bad credit, auto refinance, and maybe you're really going into the questions of how do you improve your credit score? How do you fix your credit score? Different things like that. That pays out a lot of money. As we could see from the cost per click, we're looking at like a $2.50 payoff per click on an ad. So if somebody comes to your site, they click the ad, you can expect to earn about $2.50 for it. But you can also put really good affiliate offers on the site, which is going to be a huge payout. For instance, people that are looking to fix their credit, you might earn $240 per sign up. You might earn $100. You might earn $10. But it's kind of this combination that you need to figure out for whatever it is, the website that you are running. Lastly, if you're not sure how to create content and you're kind of stumped by everything that I spoke about, and you need somebody to put eyes on your site, give it a look through, look up the right keywords and create content around it so that you can pull in organic traffic, definitely go to my website down below and sign up for the mailing list, because I've got some killer offers in there. And one of the things that I'm doing now is I'm actually helping people with their sites. So that means looking at the keywords that are around whatever the business is, and then helping you create content around that. And that way you can actually pull in some organic traffic from Google and get yourself some customers. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely hit that link down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.